Hello, my dear students. I am Teacher Trixie, and today you will learn a new lesson. Are you all excited? Very good. All right. So, today our new lesson is all about visualizing of percent. So, I want you to take a deep breath, relax, sit still, and listen carefully. Before we proceed, do you know what symbol is this? Yes, that's right. This symbol is the percent. This is the percent symbol, which means this symbol is our new topic or lesson for today. Now, what is percent? The word percent comes from a Latin word per centum, which literally means per hundred. When we say percent, we're actually saying per hundred. For example, refer to the figure. There are a total of 100 black boxes, but 6 of them are white and color. Then we can say that 6% of the boxes are white. Out of 100 black boxes, there are 6 of them are white, and we call it 6%, which means 6 per 100. Nasabtan ra ba? Alright, okay, maghatag pa si teacher og another example. At wa ni siyang sabton og maayo kung unsa gid ni ang percent. Look at this. So, 1% means 1 per 100. Kay, out of 100 boxes, 1 raman ang gikuluran. 1 ra ang color orange dira. Nakita na ninyo to? Nakita na ninyo pupils? Yes, 1 ka box ang gikuluran. Unsay color? Orange. Out of 100 ka white boxes, naay usa nga gikuluran. So unsa ganito? Ang percent? Yes, ang percent is per 100. Per 100. Per 100. 50%. So, pila man akong kuluran diri? Out of 100 boxes, pila kabuk akong kuluran? Yes, 50 kabuok. 50% means 50 per 100. Familiar ra ba siya? Yes, familiar ra kaayo no. Familiar ra jud kaayo ang percent because percent is similar to fractions, ratios, and decimal. Nakinomdum ba mo atong decimal lagi discuss ni Teacher Holly? Yes, very good. And they only differ on their usage. Means they have different forms. Let's dig deeper about percent. So, unsa gid ni siya o unsaon ni siya pagkuha? Class, kabalo ba mo na ang kaning percent gigamit nato ni siya adlaw-adlaw. Makita ni nato siya o very useful kay ni siya. So, example, ni adtog mall sa imong mama. Kabalo ba mo na sa mall, daghan kag makita nga mga percent? Very good. Yes. Naay nakabutang dito na example. 20% off, 50% off, and many more. Ang percent class, we can use it every day. Magamit nato na siya every day. Sample, katong giingon ninyo ganiha, 20% off, 50% off. Discounted na siya dito sa mall na inyong giatuan kung mapalit mo. And magamit po na nato siya sa pag-compute o makaminus na siya sa atong mga bayro nun. Yes. O also, pag-compute sa atong scores kung mapalit ta. But now, let's focus on how to calculate percent. Di ay. So, ang pag-calculate sa percent. So, maghatag og laing solution o examples na mas maexaptan pa ninyo si Teacher Nikki. Alright, so maminaw ka Teacher Nikki ha. Kay iya nang ipasabot sa inyo ha. Og mangitag paagi si Teacher Nikki para makabalo mo unsa gid na siya ang percent ug unsaon pag-calculate sa percent.
Hi kids, so My name is Teacher Nikki. So since we already know what is percent means, unsa gay ito meaning sa percent? Per hundred. Very good. Since na-introduce na ni Teacher Trixie ang unsay meaning sa percent, mag-dig deeper ta para mas makasabot ta unsaon pagkuha sa percent. So, ready na ba ang tanan unsaon pagkahibaw sa percent? Okay, so before mag-start si teacher, make sure na maminaw jud ha kay after tagaan ta mo og problem and you have to solve it or identify the percent and you have to solve it on your own, okay? Okay, listen carefully, kids. So let's solve this. Marie got 89 out of 100 item test in math. What percent of the test did she answer correctly? So here we will divide this box into 100 boxes. So Marie got 89 out of 108 item test. So we will shade the 89 boxes. Dara. So na-shade na natong 89 boxes. Since we already shaded the 89 boxes, therefore Marie got 89% out of 100 item test in math. So let's have another problem. So a gardener needs to water 25% of the plants in the garden. If there are 100 plants, how many of plants need to be watered? So naay lain paagi ug unsaon pag-visualize sa percent. So we need to divide the whole and the part. So as you remember, in our problem there are total of 100 parts and that is the whole. While ang part is the 25%. So ato na i-divide ang 25% sa 100. Since na-discuss naman nato in our previous topic unsaon pag-divide, so we will divide 25% sa 100. So 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. And now, since we already have 0.25, we will multiply it by 100 again. So, na-discuss naman sad ni nato sa ato previous topic unsaon pag-multiply sa decimals. So, 0.25 multiplied by 100 is 25. So, therefore, ang kinahanglan nga plants na i-water is 25 plants. So, nasabtan ra ba? Since nakasabot ra mo, you will try to solve this problem at your home. Okay, that's it for our topic for today, children. I hope you learned something. Goodbye!